Hello and welcome to ED 507. This is Instructional Psychology and I am Dr. Maggie Place. I am the Assistant Dean for Extended Learning here at Widener University, and I also teach a few courses throughout the year. So welcome. I wanted to introduce myself and also go through the syllabus so that you have more information about what to expect over the next few weeks. So if you will look here at the screen, we have the home area here, and from here you can access your My Course content. This is where all of your information for the course will be found, including discussion forums, assignments, content that I post as well. So you'll want to use the My Course content area. Right now the video has not been posted, but this video will be posted. If you'll open your syllabus, we will look at the assignments we have this year. So there's information on here on how to find me. The best way to get to me is email, and this is an online course, so you will be expected to check in at least a few times a week. This is a short timeline, and the discussion forums will be open for just 1 week. So I do ask that you check in toward the beginning of each week and then continue to check back in throughout that week. The required materials are all posted in shared files and can be accessed through My Course content. And I do recommend the book by Ormrod that can be found in the library if you would like a copy of that book. I do have several of the chapters that I will share with all of you, but if you would like to read it in more detail, you can either rent that or borrow it from the library. I'm just going to scroll down. You can read through our objectives, but the discussion forums are the basis of your participation in the course, so I do ask again that you check in relatively frequently throughout the week. You can plan your own schedule for that. The first project is our reinforcement project. It's the idea of behavior modification, if you will, but we're either reinforcing a good behavior or we are punishing a bad behavior. We are going to be talking more about this in future weeks, but you can read more about the assignment there. You will then evaluate your peers' presentation as well. So I have a rubric posted in shared files that you will be able to access, and you will write a letter to your peer then describing ways they can improve their presentation. For your final project, the annotated bibliography is really a stepping stone to that final paper. And so I ask that you find 5 recent articles and then write a 150 to 200 word synopsis of those articles. I then expect that you'll be able to use those for this final assignment, which is the psychological topic brief. So your brief is a topic that should be interesting to you. We'll be covering a number of different topics over the next few weeks, so you can take a look to see what is ahead and see if anything really interests you. And we will talk more about that as well. Your grading then is based on these percentages here. There is some information that you can read at another time related to Widener's policies. And finally, the course schedule is on the final page of the syllabus. So this is going to be your best guide over the next few weeks. I just want to point out a few things. As I mentioned, the topics are here on the left side, so even though we haven't gone as far as motivation and cognitive psychology yet, you can read ahead in those readings and shared files and see if anything piques your interest for the final project. And I also have all of the dates for the assignments here. So if you have any questions once you look through the syllabus, please let me know. Otherwise, it is great to meet all of you, and I look forward to the next 6 weeks with you.